If you've ever wanted to make your Word documents look cleaner, more professional, or easier to understand, adding shapes is one of the fastest ways to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert shapes in Word step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to add, draw, and customize shapes inside your document. This is great for reports, presentations, flyers, notes, diagrams, and any document where you want to highlight information visually. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. You can start with a blank document or open an existing file that you want to edit. Once Word is open, make sure your document is loaded and ready to work in. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. The Insert tab is where Word keeps tools for adding objects like pictures, tables, icons, charts, and of course, shapes. After that, click Shapes. When you click Shapes, you'll see a list of different options appear, including lines, rectangles, arrows, callouts, stars, and many other shapes. Take a moment to look through the list and choose the shape that best fits what you want to create. For example, you might use a rectangle for a label, an arrow for direction, or a circle to highlight an important point. Once you've selected a shape, your cursor will change so you can draw it directly on the page. Now click and drag on the document where you want the shape to appear. As you drag, you'll see the shape size adjust in real time. Release the mouse when the shape is the size you want. If it isn't quite right, don't worry, you can always resize it later. After the shape is on the page, you can move it around by clicking and dragging it to a new location. You can also resize it by selecting the corners or edges and adjusting it to fit your layout. If you want to make the shape look more polished, click on it and open the Shape Format tab. This tab gives you control over the shape style and appearance. From here, you can change the fill color, outline color, and shape effects. You can also add shadows, adjust transparency, or choose from preset shape styles to match the design of your document. If you want the shape to stand out, try using a bright fill color or a thicker outline. If you want it to blend in more cleanly, choose subtle colors that match the rest of your page. Another useful tip is that you can use shapes for more than just decoration. You can combine them with text by right-clicking the shape or typing directly into it, depending on the shape type. This makes shapes incredibly useful for callouts, labels, process steps, and simple visual diagrams. And if you make a mistake, you can simply click the shape and press Delete to remove it, then insert a new one. Word makes it very easy to try different options until your document looks exactly the way you want. So to recap, open Microsoft Word, go to Insert, click Shapes, choose the shape you need, draw it on the page, and then customize it using the Shape Format tab. That's all it takes to insert shapes in Word. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.